Phantom reads and non-repeatable reads both sound like the same concurrency problem, but they cause very different bugs in production. Let's break down exactly what separates them. A non-repeatable read happens when you read the same row twice in a transaction, and the data has changed between those reads. This occurs when another transaction updates or deletes that specific row while you're still working. For example, you read a customer's balance as $1,000, then read it again, and it's now $500. The row you're looking at has been modified by someone else. A phantom read is different. It happens when you run the same query twice and get a different number of rows. Another transaction inserted or deleted rows that match your query condition while your transaction was running. For instance, you query for all orders over $100 and get 5 rows. You run the exact same query again and now get 7 rows because 2 new qualifying orders were inserted. Here's the key distinction. Non-repeatable reads affect the values in existing rows that you already saw. Phantom reads affect which rows appear in your result set. One changes the data, the other changes the set of rows matching your condition. Both are concurrency anomalies, but they manifest differently. SQL isolation levels handle these differently. Repeatable read prevents non-repeatable reads by locking rows you've read, but it doesn't prevent phantoms because new rows can still be inserted into the range you queried. Only serializable isolation prevents both by locking the entire query range. In practice, imagine a banking app that calculates total deposits. Non-repeatable reads would change an account balance mid-calculation. Phantom reads would add new accounts to your sum halfway through. Remember, non-repeatable reads modify existing rows. Phantom reads modify the result set itself. Master this distinction to debug concurrency issues confidently. Practice more advanced SQL questions to level up your database skills. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.